Okay. So we can do that. So what do we need here to support this? We need that piece of PVC pipe. So get one more of those. Cut this one here. So the last one was 2 inches. Should be close to about the same. This one's a little longer. We'll do about 2.5 inches. You know, I keep giving you these, you know, how many inches and everything, but I'm telling you, every time you do these, it's going to work out a little bit different. And when I go ahead and actually build it with the real cake, it'll be slight, you know, you just have to be able to make slight adjustments when you get into a cake like this. So this cake, when it's on a cake board, we have to make sure the cake board actually will fit over that PVC pipe there. And then what we'll do is we're going to put a Vegas sign up here so we can cover this. And there are these little caps that you can buy. So I can screw this cap on now, and that'll secure, see how it secures that PVC pipe? So see how strong, see how strong that is now? And then you can kind of adjust it and play around with it. This one kind of came out a little different here. I'm almost thinking this pipe might be a little long, so I might need to adjust that. Okay, so this is where we're at. We've got this under here. Okay, we've got our 14H. This is going to be real cake here. This is going to stay styrofoam, real cake, styrofoam, real cake. Got it? Good. Okay. So now what we need is we need our 2 8-inch cakes. We need to prepare those. So they're just 2 inches deep, 8 inch by 2. And then our big 14-inch, that's actually 4 layers of cake and 3 layers of filling. So you need a nice big cake there. What I recommend is just on this cake, build the cake, ice the entire cake, and then what we'll do is we'll come in and we'll carve out this section. So we're going to be doing that in a minute. In the meantime, here on the cake board, I want to go ahead and I'm going to cover this cake board, take everything apart, cover the cake board with I'm going to use a black florist foil, and then the rest of the board we're going to decorate like a craps table, so we'll be using green fondant for that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and take a picture of this. It's a good idea to take a picture of this at this point. Write things down again, and we'll go over one more time the pieces so you can write those down, the sizes that I use. But like I said, you might have to adjust it a little bit. But it's a good idea to kind of take the picture of the angles, because once you take this apart, you know, you kind of forget a little bit. Okay, so let me clean up this mess a bit and kind of take it apart, check the sizing again, and then we can I can give you, you know, a list of the sizes again that I used. Okay, so we'll be back.